welcome back to the lab. So I'm just about to hook up the reagents. So it comes shipped with these storage bottles, which are quite nice, with a standard, reagent 1, 2, and 3. When you're shutting it down for, shutdown purposes or whatever, you can put Demon in here halfway and you can prime the pumps 2 or 3 times, and that gets all the reagent out of the analyzer. So we do that all the time when we're done QCing. So I'm going to go to standard 1. And we're keeping this. There's a little check valve on here. Two. It's all color coded and labeled. Standard 3. Okay. I'm just going to point out, it's a standard bottle. Behind there is a little flow chamber with a flow cell there, so we can run as low as 50 mils a minute. And if we sample the flow, that's how we can do our on-demand and standby modes and such. Because we actually measure whether there's sample or not. There's standard in. There we go.